Hello, good morning students. Children, have a look. As you can see, I am showing you pictures of rainforest. Rainforest. Children, by the name you can understand that there is heavy rainfall in these areas. They are hot and wet forests. These areas are hot, these tropical areas, hot but wet. Wet means because they have heavy rainfall and they are found mostly near the equator. Equator is a line that divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay, and in the equatorial region, this forests are found because of high temperature, it almost rains every day. And if it rains so heavily, there would be different varieties of trees which will lead to the development of forest. Most rainforests are found in Asia, Africa, South America and Australia. So you can see on and around the equatorial region you find this rainforest, and they are also known as evergreen forests because they remain green throughout the year. Why? Because there are different varieties of trees found here. In India, we have this type of rainforest in northeastern state in the Himalayan region where there is heavy rainfall and thick forest. Different varieties of trees are found. Even in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we find this type of thick evergreen forest. Okay, so as you can see that rainforest, there is different varieties of trees growing. There are even very tall trees like one called giant scula of California, which is one of the tallest tree in the world, and it is 360 feet. Okay, and you can see there are tall trees, there are short trees, and even the climbers and the ferns and the grasses. Each and every type of trees are found here, and so they form like an umbrella. Yes, if you can see, they have spread like an umbrella, and so proper sunlight cannot enter the ground level of the forest, and they remain damp and wet throughout, and it is very dark and very shady. As you can see, different type of plants and trees in this rainforest. I'll show you more pictures. There are all these rainforests where different type of trees and animals, birds, reptiles, all are found here. These are all rainforest. As you can see, different varieties of trees and plants are found here. So children, these rainforests, why we are discussing? Because they give rise to different type of trees. Okay, some trees are tall, some trees are short, some trees are on the ground level like your herbs, shrubs. So there are both tall and short trees. A lot of climbers you can understand that they cannot stand on their own, they depend on the other plants to grow, or other trees to grow. Their ground is covered with leaves, that fern is there, soft herbs you get, and even fungi. Fungi, because I told you that it is like an umbrella. The trees grow so high, so they are filled with leaves of different, because they get lot of rainfall, and it is a tropical region, so they get the heat of the sun, and so there are large number of leaves growing there, and they form like an umbrella. And so these things, they are called an umbrella type of thing, is called canopy. Okay, like discovered, and so the ground remains wet, and so you have all fungi. Okay, and this type of rainforest, as I told you, it's found mainly in Asia, Africa, South America and Australia, and lot of animals are found here. Just now I showed you the pictures of different animals are found here, because if there is thick forest animal, it will be the natural habitat of the animals. They would love to live in this type of forest. okay, and there you can get varieties of reptiles, wild animals and different type of birds, okay. So this famous rainforest we are discussing, okay. So this rainforest is an important in the plant family, okay.